Everybody, welcome back to KVR Bonsai. Today we'll be working on the tropical bonsai and much more. We will start by pruning the moss and the nice weeds that make it have a more jungle effect. We'll start just by pruning back the moss. Now we will prune back the weeds so it has more of a shrub effect. Now that we've finished the bonsai, this is what the final product looks like after all its trimming. Next bonsai we are going to do in this video is the large Juniper bonsai that we've had for about 4 years. Now it's time to give it a bit of a trim. What we're going to start doing now is trimming the moss. Now what we're going to start doing is peeling back the old bark so it can encourage some new growth on the lower branches. Now the final step of this bonsai is to start trimming and removing the unwanted foliage that came out in spring. Now that the bonsai is finished, this is what the final product looks like after all its trimming and pruning. Before we end this video, I'd just like to show you all the bonsai I just did. It was a fig bonsai, and I am planning on turning it into a root over rock bonsai. But for now, it's just going to be in this nice turquoise pot, and I'll let it grow till next year's spring when I can transform it to that root over rock bonsai. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for next week's video when I turn this into a nice bonsai. Please leave a like and subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next.